It's IBC 2024, and I'm here on the Magnifi stand speaking, sports automation with Geetanjali. Hi, G, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Been a good
Thank you
show
so
so
much
far?
for having us here.
No?
I think it's been an exciting show this
Good.
year. Day one was way busier than we've ever seen. This is our fourth IBC.
Yeah.
And it's been great conversations.
Great. So, give us a brief background. Let's automating sports. Tell us a bit more about how Magnifi approach this. How do you, what problems do you solve for your customers?
It's a very simple problem. You have a lot of sports being played, you have a lot of content,
Yep.
and you have a lot of viewers who have very low attention span these days. It's a mobile generation, and not just Gen Z. Everybody now is on devices.
Mm-hmm.
They want to see sports or the highlights where they can, when they can. Nobody has the patience, in old days where you would watch the match live. I mean, we still do it. Nothing takes away from the excitement of a live match.
Of course.
But let's be honest, it's a busy world, and you still want to be in touch. You don't want to, see the score or who's won and then go and catch the highlights. You want to feel you're a part of the game. So what we do is we help you deliver the highlights, the excitement of the game in real time while it's happening and on a platform of your choice.
And is there anything that you would like to identify that separates you from any other similar products?
I think there's a couple of things. The first one being that we can be data feed agnostic. So you don't need to give me a data feed and give me the meta tags. My machines are trained on over 50 sports. You can give me an HLS file, an RTMP file, depending on the sport, the heartbeat moments, the rules that you have set. As the game starts, in under 40 seconds, we can start generating highlights. The other big advantage that I think we as a company bring, because we've been through that journey of being a startup, establishing ourselves, we understand that everybody comes with a different budget. Everybody comes with a different bandwidth. So we don't have this standard, one-fit-all kind of pricing. We work with everyone from any level of league, federation, broadcasting, OTT. I think our vision is very simple. We should, make it easy, accessible, and democratize the content creation process. I think that really sets us apart.
Yeah, there clearly isn't, I sometimes like to ask, what's your ideal customer? The range is massive.
Anybody who has rights to the sports content. Because at the end of the day, we are a platform that processes. We are SaaS, we're cloud-based. You have to have the rights to the sports content, and we are here to help you make magic out of it.
And produce almost, it could be an add-on service. It's not your only service.
It can be an add-on service.
Yeah.
So it could be somebody who's broadcasting that particular. So if you have, say right now, the US Open just got open, but anybody who has the rights to telecast US Open in their market can use us.
And I don't know whether this is the right question to ask now, but are we limited in the range of sports, or is it?
No, we're not. It's just that we do that way better than anything else, but we do entertainment. We do entertainment for, in fact, quite a few clients. We are now exploring the field of news. It's a little tricky because news is vertical, but we are getting there. But it's just that this is what we started with. We wanted to be really good at something before we spread ourselves thin.
Okay, great.
So we do I think at last count, we do almost 70 sports. We do 40 to 50 languages because we can auto-translate, we can give you subtitles, captions. So we know we're doing a good job here. So now we expand.
Yeah, that's brilliant. And is there any particular news at IBC 2024? Is this something?
I think one of the biggest news we have is all the features we've brought. So, for us, IBC is also about understanding what next.
Yeah.
So when we listen to people, we understand what is it that we need to now solve for before the next IBC or say the NAB. So we've come in with a couple of really, really exciting features. One being the control and the security that you want. So you can geotag your content with us. You can geogate your content. You can see where it's going. We also understand that generative AI, LLMs are the way to go. So we have features where you can auto-generate commentary, captions, subtitles. You can translate them so you could have a feed. And this is something we've seen because I mean, a lot of our tech is built out of India, and a lot of us are Indian origin, and we speak over 30 languages in just one country.
Just one country, yeah.
So we understand the importance of localization and regionalization, and how much it matters for me to be able to speak to you in your language.
Yes.
You know, while sport is one language, but your understanding and your excitement. So I think those are the features that for us are really big. We've also come in with some outstanding partnerships because we wanted Magnifi to be like this one-stop seamless solution. So we've got editing integration with Adobe Pro. We've got Lineus, which helps you do archival content. We've got amazing partners like Cutting Room that help you create more graphics. I mean, the list is endless, but we've also got Singular Live. I mean, we've just partnered because we want you to not to be able to go to different people. Like, you know, go to one of us and we should be able to help you.
No, that's brilliant. So, where do we send people to find out more information if they haven't seen you at IBC this year? The website.
If they haven't seen the 135
balls
hanging above a ball, then they've really missed something. But other than
Absolutely.
that, they can just come to www.magnifi.ai. It's a simple site. We are here to magnify your content. You know where to find us.
Thank you very much, G.
Thank you
Go
so
on to
much.
the website and find out more information, get in touch. And for everything else that we're doing at IBC 2024, it's kitplus.com.